How does myotonic dystrophy cause muscle weakness and wasting? Imagine your muscles as busy factories that need proper instructions to stay strong and healthy. In myotonic dystrophy, genetic mutations disrupt these instructions, causing the muscles to weaken and shrink over time. There are two main types of this condition, called myotonic dystrophy type 1 and type 2. Each is caused by changes in different genes, with type 1 involving the DMPK gene and type 2 involving the CNBP gene. These mutations produce abnormal RNA molecules that build up inside muscle cells, acting like toxic waste that interferes with normal functions. These toxic RNA molecules trap important proteins that are responsible for processing and editing genetic information. When these proteins are caught up, the muscle cells cannot produce the right proteins needed for muscle maintenance and repair. This disruption leads to the production of faulty proteins, which damages the muscle fibers. Over time, the damaged fibers become smaller and weaker, leading to muscle atrophy, which is a shrinking of muscle tissue. This process causes the characteristic muscle weakness and wasting seen in people with myotonic dystrophy. When doctors examine muscle tissue from someone with this condition, they often see fibers that are atrophied or smaller than normal, with a lot of variation in size. In myotonic dystrophy type 1, the muscles tend to show more severe atrophy, especially affecting slow-twitch fibers, which are used for endurance activities. Type 2 usually impacts fast-twitch fibers, which are used for quick, powerful movements. Another feature of myotonic dystrophy is myotonia, which is the delayed relaxation of muscles after they contract. This happens because the genetic mutations cause abnormal electrical activity in the muscle membranes, making muscles stay tense longer than they should. The muscle weakness and wasting are not just limited to the muscles used for movement. They can also affect the heart, lungs, and digestive system, making the disease multisystemic. The progression of muscle weakness varies from person to person and depends on the type and age of onset. For example, congenital or childhood onset myotonic dystrophy tends to be more severe. Currently, there is no cure for the disease, but treatments aim to manage symptoms and help maintain muscle function. It is important to remember that each person's experience is unique, and medical advice from healthcare professionals is essential for proper care. Understanding the genetic and cellular basis of myotonic dystrophy helps us see how these tiny molecular changes can have such a big impact on muscle health over time.